Hi guys, welcome back to another video. The beds there goes along with the other bars. All closed for, I think it's 28 days now. The ambassador there, cracking on with the work on there. I don't think that's going to be open to October though, so we believe. They're doing a full refurbishment on that one. Okay, today we're going down to the RIUDOR hotel. And we'll look at that, somebody requested it, so we're going to have a look. Obviously with all restrictions and whatnot, I think most of the hotels are shut in Benidorm now. We'll keep our eye on that though and see if we can find some open ones. Funny thing is though, we're still seeing planes coming into Alicante, 2 or 3 a day. So I don't know what's going on there. Flash over there. That's not been reopened since lockdown. Hopefully I get this sorted out this year though. Maybe get back up to what we should be. Morgan's over the way there. Last stop. Hasn't reopened again yet. There's the RIUDOR just round the corner there. I don't think it's been reopened since lockdown. There's the entrance. Real shame for some of these hotels. They must have lost thousands, if not millions. Yeah. few of my subscribers stopped in this one. It's a very nice, friendly hotel. All the other hotels both all need a good clean out now. If they do get back, it looks like the end of summer now. Maybe September time before they're going to reopen. And that'll be another year gone then. So I don't know, let's just hope they can get open earlier than that. President Sanchez says it's going to be 70% of the population had the vaccine before they can open. There you go, and they reckon that's going to take them till at least the end of summer. Disabled access there by the clip. Can't really get back round the back to have a look. To the side of the Ambassador. Ambassador 1 and Ambassador 2. It's all being done at the moment. I really don't know why it's Ambassador 1 and Ambassador 2. It seems to be all the same building, same thing. I don't know. Okay, we'll go along a bit further on the walk now. Another minute or so on the video. Got a few hotels to do today. I've had a few requests. I want to try and catch up with them today. We'll see how we go. John Joseph. Looking up the history on this place, we heard there was a dispute on the name. John Joseph there. And apparently this is called John and Joseph as well. JJ's here. There's a dispute over the name and only one got to use it. That's why it's now JJ's. Take it is that one in there. Okay, on we go. Well guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. Video number 1 for today. We start trying to get 3 videos up per day, I think. And we'll see how that goes. I am doing a membership site. We're going to sort that out this week. And I think that'll be on from 1st of February, which is next Monday, I believe. So, we'll end the video here then. Don't forget to like and subscribe as normal. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.